So LAR Builders is at it again with a new subdivision in Warner Robins. We are at Emerald Oak subdivision right off of Dunbar Road in Warner Robins. Now this development just got started about 6 or 8 months ago, and they're just about finished with the first stage and getting ready to go into phase 2. Now we're going to take a look at their most popular model, the Davidson, which is a 4-bed, 2-bath, little over 2,000 square feet. It's one of their most popular models. So we're going to take a look around this one and see if it's something that you really enjoy. Now this location off of Dunbar Road is about 2 miles from the local Walmart and Lowe's, right around the corner from Watson Boulevard, and it's about 15 some odd minutes from the Green Street gate at Robins Air Force Base. So it's a good location, and since there are no other subdivisions currently adjacent to this neighborhood, makes it a nice quiet place with easy access to Byron, Georgia and I-75. So let's take a look and see if this is a house that you want to fall in love with. Now this Davidson model is a 2-story house, a little over 2,000 square feet, with the LVP flooring on the first level and then carpet on the second level, of course for soundproofing. And then you've got your large open floor plan right inside the entrance hall. And these quartz countertops can take a beating, so don't worry about the kids getting in the kitchen. Now with any of the LAR Builder homes, the appliances that you see here do come with the sale of the house. And they are always running any kind of builder incentives to sweeten the pot. So make sure that when we make an offer on the house, we talk to them about what incentives they got. And like I said on my other videos, even if they're not currently offering incentives, you can always ask for them. That's what the negotiating part of buying a house is all about. Now, of course, this is a model home, so it's already furnished, but it gives you some ideas on what you could do with your house. Now, when this development is done, there's going to be a little over 150 houses between ranch style and the 2 stories that you see here. Now, this is the main floor bathroom, which right across the hall is mother-in-law's bedroom. So you can have a guest bedroom on the main floor, while the family has their privacy on the second floor. Speaking of which, let's go upstairs and take a look at the second level. And right at the top of the stairs is another little family space that is on the second floor, which makes it real easy for you to have some privacy away from the public areas, away from family entertaining, and get you some time to yourself. Now, like I said, all the main bedrooms are on the second floor, with the guest bedroom on the first floor with its own bathroom. So if mother-in-law decides she wants to come down, you've got a good place for her and not underfoot. The one thing I definitely like is the fact that they've got the LVP in all the wet areas. And the carpet on the second floor, which is great for sound buffering. Now in this model, they do have the laundry room on the second floor, and like I've mentioned before on my other videos, I don't prefer it because if it leaks, it can be a pain in the butt to get these moved downstairs and get new ones up here. But it is convenient for those that are trying to keep personal and public. And then look at this huge master bedroom. Now this room does not have the ceiling fan or the overhead lights. It's got plug-ins for the wall lamps. And then the master suite obviously comes with the master bathroom. Now this model comes with a tiled shower, big enough for 2. and then the absolutely huge walk-in closet. And if that's not enough space for you, and of course you've got your linen closet right here. All right, guys, so I hope you enjoyed that tour of the Davidson model home by LAR Builders in Emerald Oaks and Warner Robins. Now, remember, if you decide that you're looking for a house like this, reach out to me. My information is in the description below. Now, a lot of people that want new construction houses are also first-time home buyers. So if you need any help, there's a link in the description below for a buyer's guide. We'll go through all the steps that you need to take, from getting a pre-approval, finding a lender, shopping around for the best neighborhoods, shopping around for the best communities. And then reach out to me and we'll get you started step by step. I'll talk to you on the next video.